Greetings everyone. In this quick video I'm going to show you how to use Google Scholar as a supplement to a library search service like EBSCOhost to help you find scholarly journal articles. Google Scholar is a part of Google's service that doesn't search for web pages, it searches for scholarly articles that have been put out on the web. And this is a great source for you to find scholarly research articles. The quick way to get to Google Scholar is just type in scholar.google.com. To give you an idea of what you'll see in Google Scholar, I'll type in a search term and hit search. Okay, now what you're seeing in this list is not a list of web pages, but rather a list of articles that originally probably were published in a print journal of some sort, but now have been put into electronic format and they're being indexed by Google. Some of them come from university web pages, some of them come from government websites, and so forth. One of these you can see is even indexing an article that's available in EBSCOhost, and because I'm on campus at Kishwaukee, it is going to link me right into the record for that article in EBSCOhost. So that's kind of an interesting thing that Google Scholar will do. Also, though, there are some links to articles that are located elsewhere. Let me click on this one. So this is an article that's being made available through a database source called ScienceDirect, and it's through a university. But as you can see here, there is no full text available for this article. There's just an abstract, there's some citation information, and then it says I'm going to have to purchase the PDF. So in this case, I'm not going to get the full text of the article. Kind of like what you see in EBSCOhost sometimes, you won't always get a full text link. However, this one here, which is from NIH, that's National Institutes of Health.gov, we do get a full text link with the article. So in this case, you've got the full article for you to read. Google Scholar is not a replacement for EBSCOhost. I would recommend that you start your research for scholarly literature in EBSCOhost and then go to Google Scholar as a supplement to it. So here's an example of what I mean. Let's say we did a search in EBSCOhost on that same topic, the Tuskegee syphilis experiment, and we came up with an article that looks really interesting, but there is no full text link for it. It says request a copy through interlibrary loan. We don't own it in print at Kish Library, so that means there's no full text in here. However, I copied the title of this article and pasted it into Google. And lo and behold, I did find a PDF of this article available for free from a government website. So once in a while, you will find something that isn't full text in EBSCOhost, but is available out on the web via Google Scholar. And that's the reason that I want you to know about this source. It's a supplement to a library database like EBSCOhost that can sometimes get you things that you couldn't find otherwise. There are a couple other little features to know about Google Scholar. There's an advanced search. So if you have an exact phrase you want to search for, you can do it that way. If you have an author you're interested in researching, you can do that, or a specific journal that you want to look in, and there's also a date range. So that's a few little tips about Google Scholar. I hope that's helpful, and I will see you in class next week.